familia, welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet. If you're new, welcome to the fam. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because we're always here having a good time, and come visit me on TikTok and Insta because I'm there daily. And of course, welcome back to my oldies but goodies. You guys, I just got this big box from Urban Decay, and guess what it is? Well, you know what it is. They're eyeliners. Woohoo! Look, you guys know, you already know I am a sucker for an eyeliner, and they came out with 9 shades, all kinds of shades. So we're gonna get very graphic eyeliner-y today while I review them and tell you about these because I'm so excited. But before we get started, let me give you some info about these. The new Urban Decay 24/7 ink liquid eyeliner come in 9 shades. They each retail for $26. This is inspired by professional paint brushes. The 24/7 ink liquid liner unleashes your inner artist and delivers chaos-proof performance. Ergonomically designed with a patent precision grip and an ultra sharp tip, this innovative eyeliner puts you in control. Will be available at Sephora later in March. I'm gonna swatch each and every one. Look, this box is cute because it has like a little spin where you just pick which one you use. There are 9 shades here. They come in metallic and they come in matte finishes. I'm taking them all out. If we look at the packaging, let's take blue. You know I love blue. Like, it's going to be this shade of blue, and then you just pop this up and look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna swatch them all on my hand. This is a brush tip. Oh, I love brush tip eyeliners. They're my favorite because the easiest to work with. Wow, this is pigment. It does remind me of kind of like paint. Oh, there's a brown eyeliner. See, this is like a taupey shade. Okay, we got white, and then we got black, of course. We got green, like a lime green. We have another black. Oh no, this is black. That other one's blue. I mean, not blue, like a turquoise green. And then we got another blue. Ooh, we got 2 blues. These are the swatches. You can tell by every swatch how they're consistently thin. And that's because we have a bit of a stiff brush, and the brush isn't too long, so you won't get too thick, just weird lines. I have no idea what kind of eyeliner look I'm going to do. I'm kind of tempted to start off with this turquoise one because it's really dark. Let's use black, white, and turquoise. Maybe like a green. I'm kind of feeling the lime green. So here we're going to use the black shade. Does it have the number here? I mean, not the number, the shade. Yeah, it does. So this is the shade 0. Let's get close so we can start. I typically do my eyeliner before my base. Today's not that day. Okay, I'm gonna look straight ahead. Create. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay. As I'm looking up, it's gonna allow me to see all my creases. Continue looking up and close it in. But I'm not gonna close it all the way. We're gonna keep it like this. You see how dark this is? Oh, dang, okay. Now I'm gonna get the white shade. This is called Ozone, and I'm going to kind of go here, right on the lid, and on top of the black, like right over it. I'm not gonna touch the black. I'm just going over it. Okay, okay. So now we're gonna go in with the shade Deep End. It's the turquoise shade. I'm gonna go here in the inner corner. The inner corner I like to go underneath. That way we get the thinnest line possible. And then after I get out of the inner corner, I go on top and keep it super close. And then meet it up with the white. So I'm gonna go back in with the white. It's looking funky because I don't have mascara on. Eyelashes have powder on them. Look at these lines though. You see how thin they are? Let's get the lime green in the shade Freak. Okay. We're going to hit it right where my crease is, but you want to go a tad bit above it. I'm going to actually bring this all the way in. And then kind of bring this out. Okay, okay. Ooh, look at this. Here, let me turn the lights off. I like that. This lime green is really light. I kind of like that because it doesn't look too intense. And I'm going to go over with the white a little bit now that it's dried a little. I honestly feel like you don't even have to go over it. This is so pigmented, but because I'm very specific with my eyeliner. Okay, we like? You know what? Let's actually get this green. Maybe underneath here, just a quick little line. I'm gonna do the other eye. Hopefully it turns out the same. And then I'll... Hold on, this eye's wonky. Hold, what do I need to fix here? I need to get some of the turquoise, which is some of the deep end shade. I need to like fix it down here. Like, look, what? I know things, they're not looking as, I don't know, good because I think I need a little bit of bronzer and mascara for sure. I'm gonna add bronzer. I'm gonna tap it on top of the green because I need a little more dimension. But I'm gonna do it gently because I already have eyeliner there. I should have done it before, but you know, things happen. Okay, so now that I went over with the bronzer, let me go back in. This green goes on very bright, but then it dries down. Not so bright, which is a good thing if you don't like bright. Not too shabby. I am highly impressed. First of all, that both eyes are the same. And you know how it is with eyeliner. You can't be going back and forth because then it's just gonna, it's a disaster for messing up. Not a disaster, it's a recipe for messing up. Look at me, all confident here. Let's do a wear test. It's 7:48. BRB. No lie, I am impressed with this eyeliner. Like, look at this. I just love this, look. So we have matte. This is matte. And then the green, the turquoise is more of a, I don't know if you can see this way, is more of a metallic. The fact that both of my eyes literally look fairly similar says a lot. I mean, I do eyeliner. I do eyeliner every day. When I was over here getting creative, I'm like, man, I don't know if I'm gonna get the other eye right. That's always the issue with any sort of graphic liner. Is like one eye's cute, but then the other one's all funky. We're not funky today, look. Something I love that I really truly noticed, because the brushes are so thin and the brush types are different. Let me show you all the brushes. Some are thicker, like the black one is the thinnest and it's long. No, maybe up against my hand. Look, the turquoise one is the longest brush. You see the other brush, the two in the middle are a little short, and then the black is a little long, which is fine. Just keep in mind, the length of brushes matter and the width of them matter. Although these brushes are all different, it all performed the same way. Just as easy, just as pigmented. Lines went on very straight. It was kind of a one swipe situation. Granted, this was the first time using these eyeliners, but there's been times where the first time I use the eyeliner, the brushes start going like that. They start spreading. It starts drying out. Something can happen like at a first impression sort of deal. Not today. I'm just loving this. Oh, by the way, this mascara I have on ColourPop Level Up. Look at this length. And I needed length today because, you know, my lashes were looking funky and I didn't want my lashes to disappear with all this eyeliner, you know? So yeah. Okay. Peace out. Bam. Look at my hand. Look at the eyeliner. Oh yeah, you can see the lime green looks green. Lime green, not yellow. Look at these lines. This is what I'm telling you. Like, these lines are legit. And you see, there's no skipping. Sometimes when eyeliner skip, you can kind of see it and you don't have that sharp line. Not today. Oh, oh my goodness, you're cute. It's 7 o'clock. It's been about 12 hours since we applied the eyeliner, but you know I got some daylight footage to show you guys just how it looked. A quick check-in to show you that nothing's cracking. Everything's highly pigmented. I didn't see any of it moving around or bleeding. Let me turn off the light so you get like a clearer picture. You see, look at those lines, how sharp they are. How beautiful this has lasted. You can tell here, nothing's bleeding. Usually eyeliner could bleed like right there because that's the inner corner. Those little ducts create tears. Yeah, I like them. I mean, they look beautiful. It's comfortable. My eyes didn't itch. Sometimes, you know, with eye makeup, things could just happen. The eyes are very sensitive. My eyes are very sensitive. I do want to show you some footage the next day. I'm talking in the future, just applying the brown liner. I'll kind of create a bit of a graphic liner just to show you how the brown shade also works, to give you guys options. Just because I have all 9 shades, I want to show you as many shades as possible. But girl, if anything changes, I'll interrupt it really quick. Jumping in really quick, I just want to show you guys, this glided on so nicely. Look how straight these lines are. Because I have textured lids, the lines will look jagged. They don't look jagged like that, but if you go like that, you can see it. But look how dark, look how smooth. I was literally one stroking it. One stroke, and I was done. Oh, these are amazing. Okay, back to the outro. But girl, look. Oh, gastada eyeliner edition. But for real, like, this eyeliner could last. And I forgot to mention earlier, I do have very oily eyelids. My skin is oily, my lids are oily, my under eyes are dry. I don't know how that works, but it does. I like these. These are great. They do release at Sephora later in March. I can't think of, oh wait, here it is. Oh no, I don't know. I believe it's March 25th. I'll link it down below. I'll put it here on the screen. This is it, fam. Let me know your thoughts of these eyeliners. I absolutely love them. And shout out to Urban Decay for sending them over my way so I can demonstrate them for you. But yes, I love you guys. Let me know your thoughts on these eyeliners. Are you planning on getting them? Do you do graphic liners? You know I'm a liner girl. And I love you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the button right there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.